Okay, so today I'm going out and doing my door-to-door marketing. I like to get these big ass flyers.
Yeah, okay, Stephanie. I got your back. Don't worry about it, okay? You know, I have a website that you can look at, reviews and everything, you know, just so you can get familiar with the company. It's called TENACITY, but I will be by next week on Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, don't forget. All right, I'll see
and then
you
we'll
okay?
send her an email.
All right, you as well.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Awesome, you did good. Look at you. Yes, I got you on camera. So, you see it. I was actually training my new assistant in my office on how to cold call for our company. And I cannot make this up. She was able to land us a walkthrough, okay? And not only that, but she's also landing my mentees, helping my mentees out now with getting walkthroughs for our lead generation service that we're trying to crank back up, okay? So the girl's good. We're still in growing process, and I'm just bringing you guys along on my journey. So she landed that walkthrough for us. Matter of fact, she landed more than one walkthrough. I don't want to toot my own horn, but I am going to bring you guys along on my journey, okay? So y'all don't think I'm capping, all right? Check it out.
Sorry, running late this morning.
It's okay. It's Friday.
It is. I'm ready for the day to be over.
Yes, already, huh?
Yes. So I see Jamaica uses you over at Archway and Moss Point.
Yes.
Okay. Our units are about the same size as hers.
Awesome. Okay.
So then it's the same layout.
Same exact layout. So that particular walkthrough happened to be a brother-sister property of some of the apartment complexes around here that we already do. So it's good to keep a clean face. It's good to keep a clean face card when you guys are doing these apartment complexes. I know cleaners that get upset with the maintenance guys. I had an incident today where a cleaner didn't want to go back because they told them to go back to something. The cleaner got mad and was like, I gotta go. I can't go back, blah, blah, blah. No, that ain't what you want to do if you're talking about you really want to be a business owner. You know what I mean? They're paying you to do a job, whether you're a contractor or whether you're an employee or whatever. You still need to do your job, and you need to do it to the fullest. You know what I mean? You need to give it 100% at all times, because people will remember you. But anyway, being that this particular property is a brother-sister property to some properties that we already do, they call and they want to do some checks and say, hey, how is these people or whatever, and those properties gave us they had good things to say, you know. So keep your face card good. Keep your face card good, okay? If they ask you to go back to something, don't be tedious and back and forth, back and forth. That's not the smart thing to do. You talking about you want to be a real business owner, okay? Just want to drop that in, okay? Here's the next walkthrough. All right, you guys. This is walkthrough number 2 that we're going on. Wish us luck. Yes. How you doing? My name is Mrs. Johnson. Here you go. My card. And this is my assistant, Tamika. I think you spoke with her yesterday.
Hi, how are you? So, what y'all think about pricing? Or do y'all need to see the layout? Because I only have one floor plan you can see.
Okay.
I did send the floor plan to you.
Oh yeah, I did look at it. So we actually we service about 38 properties around town, and the prices are generally almost the same for all properties. You know what I mean? They don't change much. But what I was going to ask you is what is your budget for your property? Do you have like a standard price from
right now? I think I pay $100 for both.
For
1 and 2.
1 bedroom and 2. Do you have 3 bedrooms? Just 1 and 2? They must be real small.
The ones is 950 square feet. The twos is 1080.
50 and 2 is 1080.
Normally, how much do y'all charge?
We usually charge 120. That's like the lowest we usually charge for a flat fee. Being that we do send quality control out to inspect all of our units. You know what I mean? It just has to be priced. It has to make sense on both ends. You know. Okay, so this particular property. They were paying their cleaners about $100 per unit, but as I stated, the lowest I can go was 120, and 120 is even low when it comes to move outs. I mean, I don't think they know how hard it is to clean those apartments. You know, if it was up to me, I would start all my move out prices at 150 when it comes to apartment complexes. But 150 for each turn would be too high, you know, in my area, you know, with judging by my experience. You know, in my area, the average prices range between 115 and 150. And 150 would be like for your 4-bedroom or 3-bedroom, you know, though that's like the price range of move out cleaning. Okay, and the time frame it takes to clean these are anywhere between 3 to 5 hours. Okay, keep all this in mind. All right, so for us it makes sense for us to not go under 120. You know, we go under 120, we're really pushing it. You know, I try to keep it 120. That's like my lowest, you know what I mean? But anyway, on the bright side of it, they decided to go with our price, so we got another contract. Okay, I just want to do this quick video to motivate and inspire you guys. I talk to you guys all the time on these consultation calls, and people are getting discouraged. They're like, hey man, it's been a month, what's going on? But I try to make these videos so you can see this is what I'm doing to win my accounts. Like, only thing we did today, well, on that particular day, was cold call and door to door. That's the only thing we did. I didn't use any CRM programs. I didn't do any no email marketing campaigns. I didn't go on Facebook. I didn't go on no site. I strictly cold called and did door to door, and that's how I won these accounts. Okay, so a lot of you guys just really need to just get busy and get out there, get your flyers, get a nice big one like this. I like these flyers, they're so big, juicy. Get a nice big flyer, get out there, put a smile on your face, put your shirts on, and introduce your company to the world. Okay, that's my time. I'm out of here. If you guys want to talk to me on a consultation call, www.tenacityacademy.com. okay, and we also will be we also will be beefing up our lead generation service. Okay, so if you guys want to order some leads from us, feel free to go on my website, www.tenacityacademy.com, or schedule your consultation call if you want to talk to me. Okay, right now we're doing leads for about $500. You can get 5 leads. Okay, and these are actual walkthroughs. We'll send them directly to you. Okay, if you want our team to do it because you too tired, and I know how it is. It's hard cold calling, I know, you know. But if you don't want to do it, you can hire our team to do it, and we'll cold call for you. Okay, and on your company's behalf. Okay, so think about it. All it takes is one walkthrough. All you have to do is win one contract to get a return on your investment. One contract to get a return on your investment. I'm bringing y'all along on my journey, man, as I win these contracts. You know, we lost contracts this year, but guess what? Every time we lose, we win. I don't stop. I don't go to sleep. Tomorrow, I'm going to get up and I'm going to do it again. Okay? That's my time. I'm out.
Thinking about starting a cleaning business? Don't know where to start? Entrepreneurship is a lonely road that you don't have to walk by yourself. Schedule your free consultation with Mrs. Johnson today at TENACITYacademy.com.